Machine vision systems and industrial scanners help automotive manufacturers reduce costs, comply with safety regulations, and increase throughput. Here's how. These technologies improve production floor visibility with track and trace capabilities, allowing operation fine-tuning to best meet compliance and output targets. Vehicles are complex and require many components. Although common, manual inspections are time-consuming and prone to error. Machine vision smart cameras can perform highly detailed visual inspections, eliminating the risk of human error and streamlining the process. When deploying your own vision systems, look for unified software platforms that consolidate scanning and machine vision hardware into one development environment. Read our ebook for more information.